Hello, my name is Bryson Cox. I work at Hotsy Equipment Company. We have 9 locations in 5 states. Today we're going to clean a typical warehouse, and I just want to go through a few accessories we have, and also kind of explain which accessory is best in what application. I've got a surface cleaner, 24-inch surface cleaner. A surface cleaner gets pretty good impact. It's putting a lot of the pressure generated by the pressure washer into the floor, and it's got a spinning head underneath it. This is a 1-foot water broom. A water broom does not have quite the impact, so it's not going to clean the surface as well, but it's going to be a little bit quicker, and it's going to help flood that material out the door. The one negative thing about a water broom is you're going to get a lot of splashback and stuff on the walls and overspray, so that's where I'm going to use a variable pressure wand that can kind of control it a little bit more, and I'm going to walk through the corner and walk down the side of this and flush it out the door. So hopefully by the end of the video you'll see maybe what scenario a surface cleaner is going to work in, what scenario a water broom would be best, and then the overall use of a variable pressure wand and how it can be used. Give me a few minutes and I'll get this started. So this is a 24-inch surface cleaner. Again, we're running a 4,000 psi at 4.5 gallons a minute machine. We'll start off with this. We'll show you how the effect is on the floor, and then we'll walk through the water broom and the variable pressure wand as well. So this is a water broom. Again, it doesn't have the impact pressure directly to the floor that a surface cleaner is going to have, or a wand, but it is going to help float that material in a direction. So I'm going to fire the 1270 up, let you guys see what it does in action. So we demonstrated the surface cleaner and the water broom, and hopefully you can see from the water broom, although it did kind of get in corners and it started removing a lot of the material, I just didn't have the flexibility to kind of drop that pressure and get into the corners and walk down that wall like I need to. The variable pressure wand is going to allow me to do that. We've got a little bit of cobwebs up next to the beam right there. We're going to try to knock those off a little bit. This is drywall, so I wouldn't want to hit it with a lot of pressure or continually soak it over time, but a real quick rinse and then walking it down the wall, it'll allow me to be able to get to this entire surface and get all of the material out of the door. So we demonstrated a variable pressure wand, how it would flood the material off the wall. It didn't harm the drywall, and again we're using a 4,000 psi pressure washer. Again, it drops down the pressure so that you're not going to damage anything. Hopefully in the corners you saw how I was able to flood that material out, stay somewhat dry, but evacuate the material out the door. Hopefully you were able to kind of see what the water broom is going to be able to do and how quickly it can move a lot of volume of material out of the way. It does not have quite the impact that a surface cleaner does, but it also has its application. And then obviously the 24-inch surface cleaner. They have them in 12, 18, 24, 36-inch sizes, depending on the volume and the pressure of the machine. That's what's going to determine the size. And then also all of these are just tools that are going to help you get the desired effect. That's the main thing that we're trying to accomplish out here, just give you a little bit of information so that when you're quoting these jobs, you're making money on this, or you're cleaning up your own plant, you know what accessories are available at your local Hotsy. Thanks and have a great day.